so they'll be a little bit taller, a little bit wider, but they've got a white wall, so that will be like the cool factor, as well as being a heavy duty tyre for off-roading and carrying heavy loads, etc. So that's where we're at. Probably rambling on a bit too much as usual, but I thought you could get an update. Oh yeah, little piece there to patch, piece there. But this is, that looks all right there. And this is the panel that they had just primed. Obviously primed over the green. So we're going to strip it all back to bare. Everything will be back to bare on this bus, basically, except for under the roof there. Probably the only thing that won't be necessary, and on the back of that front there, like, because the wiring's all staying. Not worth it, mate, not worth it. So that's an update. We're flying along and really excited about getting to the next stage. So we're just going to concentrate now on, I'm going to get this epoxied so that it's all sealed up, and then Andrew's going to continue, and then while Andrew's doing the repairs on the panels, I'll get the rest of the paint stripped off through these big panels, which I'll use a combination of sanding and paint stripping. So it'll all be back to bare metal. Yeah, we'll cut through this bog here and just see how gnarly it is underneath. So but that's all, that's the update. So that's over 10 minutes of Grego rambling, so I shall stop rambling and get on with the job. It's nice seeing you all again. I've had a few days off, family stuff, so but Andrew has continued on. That's the good part. Sometimes he takes a couple of days off and I get stuck into it, so the work continues, and boy do we have plenty. So we will talk again later. Bye.